Oh, it's so cute. Stay tuned and find out why. Okay guys, so not really cute, but it is a little dehumidifier. So what we have is the Eva-dry EDV-11000. So I've been looking for a little bit of a dehumidification down here in the basement, and well, here we go. Most dehumidifiers, it seems like, especially the ones that are larger, are, you know, $200 to $250. I didn't want to spend that much. This one had like 300 5-star reviews on Amazon and some ones from the Seattle area. So I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a shot. Now you guys know this channel's mostly computer electronics, but today, some more consumer electronics. So let's look at the box a little bit real quick. It is a Petite dehumidifier. No compressor, uses electrothermal, and then the word that I can't say, which is French, which I believe is Petite. I don't think you say the R. So basically it's an electrostatic, takes the moisture out of the air. Sure. Easy to use controls, transparent detachable water tank, air filter, protects up to 1100 cubic feet. So my basement is obviously bigger than that, but what I really wanted it for was just to, you know, knock down the humidity. I don't want it to get rid of everything. I don't expect it to. It's just a little tiny guy, but you know, there we go. It combats moisture. Sure. It can do approximately 8 ounces per day at 86 degrees Fahrenheit with 80% relative humidity. It eliminates odors and fungus. Automatically turns off when the water tank is full. That's actually important. High speed 3" by 3" DC brushless motor, because it does have a fan. Holds 16 ounces. Whisper technology. So let's take a closer look at the little guy himself. Okay guys, for reference we have a soda can here, so you can see it is quite small. I've had this on for 24 hours and pretty much exactly what it said. This is just about half full, so it's obviously not 80% humidity in the basement, but it did pull almost 8 ounces of liquid out of the basement. This is the float. Let's see if you can see that. This is the float to turn off the machine, and of course that's where the water goes down in. On the top, it actually says it has an air filter, which, sure, if those ginormous holes count as an air filter, well, you know. Inside, you can see there is the actual dehumidification sink, I guess you could call it. And other than that, you have an on-off switch. It tells you when it's full. The funniest thing I actually think about this is it says whisper quiet technology. It's not whisper quiet. It's loud. It's not extremely loud, but it's not quiet. So keep in mind, you know, I wouldn't put this in a bedroom personally. However, for a basement, by God, it's perfect, because if I'm doing something where I don't want to hear it, you just come over and turn it off and turn it back on when you leave. So guys, if you're looking for a small little dehumidifier, then I would say take a look. It's got 1 million positive reviews on Amazon, and it does what it says, except, you know, maybe it's not whisper quiet. This is Tim for TimmyTechTV. Guys, follow me on Twitter at TimmyTechTV, or pretty much on any social media at TimmyTechTV. Check us out at TimmyTechTV.com, and until next time, we'll see you.